Hi there, quiz of TensorFlow implementation. We'll try again with you. First question, he gave me code for neural network consists of 4 layers, sequential, dense with activation function sigmoid and 25 units. The second layer, activation function sigmoid, 15 units. Third layers, activation function sigmoid and 10 units. And the output consists of 1 unit and activation function sigmoid. The question is, this code will define a neural network with how many layers? There are 4 layers. Second question, he gave me a graph of simple neural network and gave me the equation of input features and asked me how do you define the second layer of neural network that has 4 neurons and sigmoid activation function. We will find unit equal 4 and activation function is sigmoid. This is the correct answer. Third question, features vectors. He gave me some data set for temperatures Celsius and duration in minutes and asked me if the input features are temperature in Celsius and duration in minutes, how do you write the code for the first features vectors shown above? Vectors 217 in list value by number array. This is the correct answer. Yes, we submit with you graduation and pass. Thank you.